Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this session, we will learn how to write Django framework web application welcome page. We call it as a client-side view. It's a view. We will see how to write that path. It's showing that that MVC architecture. It's nothing but URL redirections, routes, and what we want to present at the view level. That context we need to display at the end of the browser level. We will see how to configure the things and all. For more information and updates, please subscribe and avail all the videos and updates. Don't miss it. Comment any of the clarifications regarding this. Let's start have a session. For the easiest way and explanations, I have prepared for all the details here. For better understanding too, we'll have some time to explain that such a things. The basic admin, there is a music over here. That app we have added previous session. You find out the previous session, you will know, let you know how to add that Django app, web app. Okay, now I'm continue from there itself. Now let's see here. As the straight away I'm discussing with that, I want to present that aim is that music. See here, this is a welcome page of music app in my web browser. It's a web browser, is a web server is running over here based on Python, and there is an app we have added music. I want to show now this is a welcome page of music app. I want to show that view page. Now let's see step by step how it will go. Simply straight away, first I am taking, see over here, that urls.py file. Okay, under music you can right click over here. I'm using that Python IDE, which is a community edition, and right click this here music folder and right click new and a Python file, name it as music urls.py. see here, from I'm importing such a things from django.conf.urls, import URL from dot in the sense this is the path we have to specify where to import that file. This is the dot in the sense this is a local within the folder itself, in the sense this is the URL file is there, this is the views file is available over here itself within the directory of music. Hence I am taking the dot unless you need to specify the path of the file, and import views. The see here, that is the URL patterns that equal to URL of space which is provided, and views.index comma name equal to index. It's completed. This is the path. You will identify such a lines and such a standardizations many more at the main file which is available already in the form of skeleton. Now let's see here, web app URLs. The main web app URLs file is there. I'm opening here. See here, you will find out that paths how to write the function views are there here, and including another URL configuration files are there here. Okay, here I'm adding such a things, include function over here, include that include comma only I have specified, and I have written that music folder, the directory path over here, and include music.urls, which is the file I am added here. That file is including main file. Okay, and I want to show what is the view I have to display, and open the view and delete the such a things. And I'm simply telling that if it is hit came from the HTTP request, it should be response that message is For that I have imported this package, and def index of request is occurred, return HTTP response is. This is the welcome page of music app. Save it, and the web server which is already started, you have seen that. And I will open the browser and copy. I'm taking the copy of the URL, copy, paste, enter. This is the welcome page of music. How beauty it is. Based on this views and redirection of the URL patterns and handling the pages, feasibility and flexibility to prepare a menu and such many things by using with this basic concept how to represent an HTML document in web page of on the browser. This is how about the basic handling of the welcome page of an app here. Thank you for watching this video. Please share, like, comment of any of our views and all the things. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and get more updates regarding this. Thank you.